Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at two cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and these are brought to us by Ghostek. Let's check them out. Now, this is the first time that you're joining the channel. Make sure you smash that subscribe button because we cover a variety of tech, from smartphone tech to scooters, security systems, and also all of the accessories that you need to know and tips and tricks for your favorite smartphones. So today we're going to take a look at Ghostek and look at how you can step up your protection for your Note 9. So let's get straight to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
So now the Ghostek product line features military drop protection. So for those of you who are questioning, like, what does that mean? We're talking about a 8-foot drop test. In this case, these give you the ability to have multiple levels of support. Sometimes 2 times the support, sometimes 3 times the support, sometimes 1 time the support. That means that these cases have gone through drop tests that support 1, 2, or up to 3 times the normal height that you would see with standard drop tests. So this is going to give you, again, that upgraded feeling that you don't have to worry about a smashed screen or a smashed back, just damaging your phone at all. Now, we're going to take a look at the Exec, and then we're going to look at the Atomic Slim. Now, taking a closer look at the Exec, pretty interesting design. You may be asking yourself, hey, what's that in front? Well, let me show you a cool feature in here. As you open this up, you actually have a credit card holder. So this is going to give you the ability to store some credit cards in this area while still having access to the rest of your phone. It does have some great drop protection, so you'll see bumpers really nice and pronounced on each side. If we take a look at the glass protection, you'll notice that it does come up above the glass surface. You do have some responsive buttons over here, access to all your ports and your S Pen. Everything looks great, and then you have, again, your power button. On the back here, you'll notice that you have good recess area for your fingerprint sensor as well as your camera, and everything looks well aligned. Now, next up is going to be the Atomic Slim, and by the way, I've tested both of these cases for wireless charging tests. They work. Also, Samsung Pay works without any issue. Now, as we look at the Atomic Slim, this is a really nice looking case. The craftsmanship is a little bit more different, really nice see-through back, and it also features kind of like a metal feel to it. So this is a really strong case. I'm going to show you. I'm going to try to bend. There's no bending whatsoever. So let's go ahead and put in our phone and check out this case. All right, guys, so this is what the Atomic Slim looks like, and it does pass wireless charging and Samsung Pay compatibility. As we take a look here at the back, you have a really nice recess here for your camera. Fingerprint sensor, easy to find, and it has some really nice depth. You can see that right there. On the bottom, you have all your cutouts nicely aligned. Everything looks really good. And the back, it's actually raised. When you see, here's the glass area, and then you have this raised above it. Now, what I like about this feature is that what tends to happen with clear backs is over time they get scratched. So having this raised, and you can see how it has kind of like a lip right here, just means that the back of the phone is not going to get exposed to that many scratches. Now, if we look at right here also, then you have these metal buttons that are, again, very responsive. We look at over here, you have your buttons, again, very responsive. And then as you look at over here, you have some good protection on each one of the sides. Put this in an angle right here so you can see that. And now, if we look at the screen protection, this is where I'm really excited about this case. Notice how high this comes up. This has a big lip on each side that is protecting your phone in the event that you do drop it. So guys, that concludes our review of the Ghostek cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you have any comments, leave in the comment area. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.